So Scully and I are going on a walk today because it was gorgeous out. It was 60 degrees, right? And on the walk, I was thinking about math, and I know that makes me a weird math kind of guy, but I think about math a lot. And I was thinking about some questions that you all had for me, specifically the questions about when in the real world we actually do use fractions and decimals. So on the walk, I'm making it my mission to keep an eye out for some specific ways that I see fractions and decimals in the real world, and then I am going to share those with you and see where that takes us. So one of the easiest ways to talk about fractions and decimals is definitely in sports. And the park that I'm at has softball and kickball all summer. I play on a kickball team here. It's got basketball courts for all year long, especially now it's nice. It's also got tennis courts over there. And I've been watching these guys play for a little while, and there's two teams, of course. And together, since I've been watching, they've actually taken exactly 10 shots, believe it or not. And one team made 2 shots, and one team made 4 shots. So I want to find out, all together, both teams, what fraction first did they make out of 10, and then what decimal and what percent that would be. So sports, great place to see fractions, decimals, and percents. There's also lots of playgrounds here, and you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 slides, and right now there's a couple kids playing, and they are going down one of the slides. Easy way to express the number of slides that are being used is by looking at fractions. Hey, check this out. The trails are actually marked with decimals. Potential, 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 potential. Come on! Kinetic. You ever thought to yourself, man, there seems to be a lot of a certain color of car on the road? Well, you can count the cars in this next piece and actually find out what fraction of them are a certain color. When I watched them, looked at a lot of white ones. What do you think? So I'm sure what you've probably begun to notice by now is that all of my examples have been fractions and decimals and percents that are less than 1. So my last challenge to you is, can you come up with an example from your own life, or maybe something you've read in a book or seen on a movie, whatever. What's a real world example of when you would use a fraction, a decimal, and a percent bigger than 1 whole? So that's the last thing for today. See you guys. Potential, potential. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is still potential energy. Come on, Scully. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Potential, kinetic, connect, 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 connect. Use.